Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. والصلاة والسلام على سيد المرسلين أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Dear viewers, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In this video, we are going to learn the lesson number 5 of madani Qaida with Tajweed. So before starting this lesson, I would request to everyone to subscribe my YouTube channel if you are serious and if you are actually wanna learn the Holy Quran with Tajweed. And inshallah, in this channel, the whole Quran Pak, verses by verses, word by word, would be uploaded here with Tajweed. So let's start. The name of lesson number 5 is Tanween. So what is Tanween? Before starting this lesson, we must the concept of Tanween. Basically, two zabar, one and one, two zabar. Two zer, one and one, two zer. And two pesh are called Tanween. Two zabar, two zer and two pesh are called Tanween. So we must now the concept of दो ज़बर and दो पेश and we must differentiate two ज़बर and two ज़ेर. What is difference between in two term? Basically, two ज़बर will be on the letter. Two ज़बर will be on the letter and two ज़ेर will be below the letter. Okay, just like we will clear the example. Two ज़बर on the letter, two ज़ेर below the letter. Okay. A letter which has a tanween on it is called munawwan. If any letter having tanween on it is called munawwan letter. So ta having tanween, so this is known as munawwan letter. Okay, having tanween, munawwan letter. In fact, tanween is a nun sakina. Basically, tanween is a nun sakina. We will clear with example and how. That is at the end of word. This is why tanween sounds like a noon sakina. Just like hamza do zabar an. At the end of word, we feel the sound of noon sakina an. And inshallah, we will learn the concept of sakin word in detail in the chapter number 7. Hamza do zain in. At the end of word, we feel the sound of noon sakina. Hamza do pesh on. And in every tanween we feel the sound of noon sakina at the end, just like moon, min, man. Okay. Hamza to zabar an, hamza to zer in. Spell out the example of tanween as follow: mim to zabar mim. Just like we will learn this mim to zabar. First, we learn the letter and then tanween. Mim two zabar man, and at the end of word we feel the sound of noon man. Mim two zer min, and then mim two pesh mun. Okay. Sometimes alif or ya is shown after two zabar, just like this. Don't pronounce it during spelling. We will spells this word just two zabar. Never pronounce it. Never spells it alif two zabar one. Just spells it two zabar one. Okay. And let's start this lesson. And you will read, you will learn, you will read minimi. Okay. Ta tu zabar tan, ta tu زیر تین. تا ٹو پیش تن. تن تین تن. دو زبر تون. And so during this lesson, during reading this lesson, um, we will learn two zabar, not do zabar. Do zabar in Arabic. Two zabar one. Two zer twin. Two pesh tun. Twin twin tun. Za two zabar zan. Za two zer zin. Za two pesh zun. Zan zin zun. Ral two zabar ran. Ral two zer rin. Ral two pesh run. Run rin run. Wa two zabar one. Wa two zer win. Wa two pesh won. One win won. Dod do two zabar one. In Arabic, we read the two zabar. We read the two zabar just like do zabar, and by mistakenly I read them do zabar. So you will read just two zabar. Okay. Bod two zabar one. Bod two zer din. Bod two pesh dun. Don din nun. Tha two zabar than. Tha two zer thin. Tha two pesh thun. Than thin thun. Sin do sin. So basically those zabar, um, we read them to those zabar in Urdu or Hindi language. Okay. In Urdu and Hindi language, we read it do zabar. Okay. And English two zabar. Sin two zabar san. Sin two zer sin. Sin two pesh sun. San sin sun. Swad two zabar swan. Swad two zer swin. Swad two pesh swun. Swan swin swun. Kaf two zabar kan. Kaf two zer kin. Kaf two pesh kun. Kan kin kun. Qaf two zabar qan. Qaf two zer qin. Qaf two pesh qun. Qan qin qun. Ha do zabar ہن ہا ٹو زبر ہن ہا ٹو زیر ہن ہا ٹو پیش ہن 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 حا ٹو زبر حن حا ٹو زیر حن حا ٹو پیش حن 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 حمزہ دو زبر ان حمزہ ٹو زبر ان حمزہ ٹو زیر ان حمزہ ٹو پیش ان ان عین ٹو زبر عن عین ٹو زیر عین عین ٹو پیش عن 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 دال ٹو زبر دن دال ٹو زیر دن دال ٹو پیش دن 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 خو ٹو زبر خن خو ٹو زیر خن خو ٹو پیش خن 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 غین ٹو زبر غن غین ٹو زیر غن غین ٹو پیش غن 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 با ٹو زبر بن با ٹو زیر بن با ٹو پیش بن 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 میم ٹو زبر من میم ٹو زیر من میم ٹو پیش من 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 واو ٹو زبر ون واو ٹو زیر ون واو ٹو پیش ون 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 فا ٹو زبر فن فا ٹو زیر فن فا ٹو پیش فن 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 لام ٹو زبر لن لام ٹو زیر لن لام ٹو پیش لن 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 نون ٹو زبر نن نون ٹو زیر نن نون ٹو پیش نن 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 را دو زبر رن را را ٹو زبر رن را ٹو زیر رن را ٹو پیش رن 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 جیم ٹو زبر زن جیم ٹو زیر جن جیم ٹو پیش جن 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 شین ٹو زبر شن شین ٹو زیر شن شین ٹو پیش شن 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 یا دوز یا ٹو زبر ین یا ٹو زیر ین یا ٹو پیش یون ین yin yun. And now uh, the lesson number 5 is completed, and if you have any question and any queries regarding this lesson, so you will ask, and inshallah I will give the positive response to you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.